cleaning your Olymtech compressor. So first you're going to want to switch the compressor off, shut it down, switch off your dryer as well, and then you're going to need to switch off the compressor at the isolator switch. Make sure the compressor is off completely. Next, you're going to want to open up all the covers, all the doors. Make sure all the covers are off. For your dryer unit, you've got one bolt there, one there, and two at the back. Once you get those bolts off, you can take the cover off. Same goes for this side. And once everything is open, you can use the regulated side on your compressor to use the air and blow out the compressor completely. You want to clean everything inside, and you want to make sure that you get into the radiator from the bottom and from the top as well. You want to do that to ensure that there is no dust in the radiator. Same goes for the dryer unit. In on this side and at the back.